On a lunch break, 12 o'clock. I'm here live and alive. Your blogger, teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Here in Acacia Vendor Station, outside Lang National High School, beside Lang National High School. My favorite hot cake is one of the affordable hot seller here on this area. So let's interview the vendors here. And okay, what's your name, madam?
Felix Cabrillos.
Felix Cabrillos. Okay. How long are you in this business?
Hot cake.
Hot cake. How many years ka na dito? Tagal na.
Tagal na.
Oh, ikaw, April, what's your name? April. Orpin. Okay, ilang taon ka na sa hot cake business?
3 years pa na.
3 years. Ikaw?
Mga 6 na.
6 na, okay. So, I'm just curious, how is it done? Can you illustrate this to our viewers? This one, no? My favorite. Wow, hot cake. Favorite one. Can you show it? How is it done? Shall we? How do you call this one? This one, Phil? What's this? This one. The hot cake maker. So, what are your ingredients? Shall we have a glimpse?
Ingredients, ma'am. Itlog, gatas.
So, it's itlog, gatas, milk. What milk? Powder? Powder. Okay. So, where are you buying the powder? Milk powder. And also the daughter, our Machiavelli learners, grade 12. Introduce yourself. Your name is?
My name is Junaline
Cabrillos. Sige. Last year, I am teacher of Machiavelli. Community, engagement, solidarity, and citizenship, and even political science. But this year is not assigned. So, this is it. And first step, anong unang gagawin? Anong unang bang?
Mag-bake.
Bake ka ng, i-mix mo yung
First,
water, first,
itlog,
egg. How many eggs in one baking?
one baking, 1 egg.
1 egg. Okay, so 1 egg only. And how many cups of water? I mean of do you have arena here? Arena? What kind of arena you're using? Third glass. Where are you buying? So I can buy here in what store? EKS? They have third glass.